For this session, i-check natin yung first long quiz ninyo and pasadaan natin lahat ng nandito sa exam. So as of now, on the process pa rin ako ng checking. Kung pwede, please paki-check po yung mga exam ninyo. Baka po may iba pa na hindi nakalink yung Google Docs nila sa submission form dun sa may Google Classroom. So please, kapag wala po yung answers ninyo sa Google Classroom, ibig sabihin nun, naiwan po siya sa may Google Drive ninyo. Paki-share, pakibigay na lang po yung link or i-share nyo sa akin yung link po ng Google Docs ninyo para ma-check ko na po siya. Okay, to start with, let us first read yung exam natin. Congratulations, you are a newly hired data analyst in a particle accelerator for CERN. For your first task, you were asked to accomplish the list noted on your memo. You will use the following data reported by other analysts scattered around the globe. So, nagkaroon tayo ng data provided. And at the same time, ito yung memo na task natin as an employee. Yan. So first one, you have to convert the data to MKS system. Bakit kaya kailangan i-convert yan? Into whole number. The second one, draw a distance time graph and indicate the velocity for each point. And the third one, provide the standard deviation of data. Explain natin kung bakit kailangan yung mga yan. So first one, kung tatanungin ko kayo, bakit kailangan i-convert itong mga data na to into MKS system? So you learned earlier na meron tayo mga different measurement systems, di ba? And nasabi dito na yung mga analyst natin is scattered around the globe. Iba-iba yung ginamit nila na measurement system. Anong mangyayari kapag itong data mismo ang ginamit natin para sa experiments or sa mga reports? Of course, yung mangyayari is magkakaroon ng errors or hindi magiging accurate yung data natin. So, kailangan i-convert siya into one unified unit, which is for now MKS yung ginamit. Ano ba yung MKS? M stands for meter, K for kilogram, and S for seconds. So it means alin dyan yung kailangan natin i-convert. So to save time, para ma-solve natin yan, kailangan alam natin yung mga conversion factors. So first one, from 300 centimeters naging 3 meters. Yun yung conversion niya. And 236 inches is equal to how many meters? 6 meters. Of course, 1,000 centimeters equal to 10 meters. So yan po yung mga data na galing sa exam natin. Now for time conversion natin, yan. Now for data visualization, sabi dito, you have to draw a distance time graph. Okay, so for data visualization, first ilagay natin dito yung distance. Since distance time graph siya, dito siya sa axis na to. Sa kabila naman is yung time. Ano yung maging itsura ng graph natin? Para siyang ganyan. Okay? Kasi ngayon magiging point natin for velocity, yung first point is magiging 1.5 meters per second or 2 meters per second. Second one is the same na 1.5 meters per second or 2 meters per second rounded to whole. Tapos ito naman is 1.7 meters per second. Again, rounded to whole is equal to 2 meters per second. Tapos 1.8. Medyo nagiging ano na siya, straight line. So, ito magiging 2 meters per second. Tapos, 1.5 or 2 meters per second. And the last one is naging 1.3 meters per second or 1 meter per second siya. So, yan yung data visualization natin. Balikan natin yung next na question. Based on the graph, what are your initial conclusions and what could this data be all about? Of course, based on your inference na yan, ano sa tingin nyo yung nangyayari doon? Okay, so for data visualization, yung independent variable natin is time, while the dependent variable is distance. Pero hindi pa natin alam for sure kung ano ba yung mga variables pa na nandito. Since data lang nakuha natin, distance and time lang. Wala pa tayong any other clue. So, for pointing or for giving of scores, I will just check yung mga nilagay ninyo for conclusion. And yan. Okay, so move tayo. Provide the standard deviation of data. Okay, so now kunin natin yung standard deviation. So, that one is equal to, i-direct na natin para mabilis. Kunin natin yung mga whole number, which is yung naging mean natin is 2. So, yung makukuha natin na SD is equal to 0.4 or 0. Yan. Okay. So, siguro medyo nagtataka kayo bakit hindi siya naka-decimal point. Nag-start kasi tayo kanina na whole number. So, for consistency, i-whole number natin siya. Pero, there's an explanation kung bakit ganito yung nangyayari. Okay? Don't panic muna. I-check natin siya later on. Okay. So, i-explain natin yan sa last na question. Ito siya. So, sa may situation 2. Continue reading the situation and respond to the thought. Relate your response with precision and accuracy along with errors and uncertainty. Your response will be graded based on content and relevance. Ito na yung situation. You later found out that the data given a while ago was from a top-secret study. You heard that the data points indicate a cycle, wherein for each cycle, a variable was introduced and each jerk in speed was an indicator of increase in kinetic energy. Thus, the point of highest jerk was a potential candidate for a new energy resource configuration. You are worried. Will the data measurement provided for your first job be useful for anyone interested in the field of energy? If the same information you heard regarding the project were to be leaked along with the variables used in the experiment, are you still up for the job? Okay, so ito yung pinaka-complete picture ng exam ninyo. Bakit ko pinaround ng whole number? And bakit ganito yung naging answer? Bakit naging 0? Bakit naging whole number siya? So, it will be based on your real-life application ng mga inaral ninyo. As an employee, lalo at very sensitive tong data na kinuha ninyo, you should always have this one: precision, accuracy, and the concept of errors and uncertainty. So, dapat kung ikaw yung newly hired dito, dapat you should show your best. Nakalagay dito na whole number, it should be sketchy enough for you. Bakit pinaparound siya into whole number? Yung kailangan natin dito is very sensitive na data. So, magiging useful kaya itong mga values na nakuha natin if na-leak siya? The truth is, yes, pero at the same time, hindi siya magiging ganun ka-useful kasi wala yung accuracy and precision. And at the same time, hindi complete yung data. So, in conclusion, pwede kang tinetest pa lang since newbie ka, pero at the same time, it is a challenge for you para ipakita mo yung best mo. So first of all, congrats sa mga nagtanong kung bakit pinaparound siya into whole number. Si Muhammad Albatesh and si Sam Aniceto. Tapos medyo nag-wonder din si Jamie Foliante and si Zarina. So, I was there the whole time behind the screen. Hinintay ko yung mga comments niyo. And yan. So, etong na nga yung application ng mga lessons natin. It's not all about yung kailangan very skillful ka sa pagsosolve, but instead, kung gaano mo kaalam kung saan siya ginagamit and paano siya dapat i-apply. So, yung checking natin is nakabase pa rin siya sa mga instructions, pero it's a note na hindi lang basta-basta exam to, since hindi na siya yung dati na nasa school tayo and nakaka-explain tayo ng maayos. Right now, yung pinaka-main na goal ko as your teacher dito sa subject na to, it's very difficult. Very difficult tong subject na to. So, yung pinaka-main goal natin is yung alam nyo siya, kung alam nyo yung gamit ng mga concept and alam nyo kung ano talaga yung mga concept na inaaral ninyo. So, with that, I'm still checking your exam. I hope na maging maayos and okay yung maging response din ninyo sa mga answers ninyo. Magko-comment ako later on. Again, please check your exams kung na-send ba siya ng maayos. Pwede nyo pa siyang i-resend. And kung nagwa-wonder yung iba, baka naman in-edit na. Actually, yung mga pinaparesend ko lang is yung mga nag-docs na, and most of you naman nag-send as picture. So kapag naka-doc siya, lahat ng history niya is nakikita ko. So yung mga revisions nakikita ko. So walang problema doon. Basta yung point natin is alam nyo yung mga naging concept natin for the first long quiz. So again, congratulations sa inyo, and I hope you'll still stick with us para sa journey natin during the life of pandemic na nasa bahay lang kayo nag-aaral. Again, thank you for watching and see you again on the next one.